It's the biggest of its kind. The Titan arum. Up to 3 meters tall, it has taken 10 years to mature. But now it has just 2 days in which to reproduce. As dusk descends, others are opening simultaneously across the forest. As the air cools, the plant does the opposite. It starts to release the stench of rotting meat. The smell drifts through the forest, attracting visitors. A carrion beetle. The arum has deceived the beetle into thinking it has discovered a dead animal. The insect is now trapped. The walls are too slippery to climb back up. And now it's surrounded by hundreds of male and female flowers. As the night continues, a transformation takes place. The male flowers start to release pollen. Microscopic granules coat the unwitting beetle, with the sticky substance providing footholds, and the beetle flies away to visit other arums, and so spread the pollen.